Teachers, parents, students, guests, and our school head, good morning. Today, we are honored to be joined by a truly inspiring individual, an educator, leader, and advocate who has dedicated over 25 years to shaping your minds and building future-ready individuals. She holds multiple degrees in education and management, and throughout her career, she has worn many hats: teacher, coordinator, principal, and now the Director of Student Affairs at Lyceum of Alabang. She is also a passionate advocate for child protection, anti-bullying, and life skills development. Her excellence has been recognized both locally and internationally, receiving awards such as Top 10 Outstanding Educators in Asia and multiple Outstanding Teacher and Leadership Awards. Beyond the classroom, she's a the certified expert in fields such as cookery, housekeeping, welding, and even robotics programming, providing that learning truly has no limits. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our guest speaker, Director Miguela Ariola Arcega. Thank you po, ma'am.
Good day to everyone, especially to our shining stars today. To our dear kindergarten graduates, Mrs. Bernardina Malaniban, the school head, to our parents, teachers, and of course to our guests. I feel so honored and happy to stand here with all of you. Today, we're not just celebrating a graduation. We're celebrating the first big step of your journey in kindergarten. Yes, your journey filled with dreams, laughter, and endless possibilities. To our dear kindergarten pupils, congratulations! Today is a very special day. Maybe you may be small in size, but your dreams are big. And your hearts are even bigger. You've already made a big impact. Every time you shared your crayons during your class hours, every time you said please, thank you, you're welcome, roll and roll the rugs, every time you give a friend a hug, those moments are proof that you are already building something beautiful. You're a part of a new generation. A generation of unity. Your kindness, teamwork, one where everyone is a partner. Where we help each other, where no one is left behind. And of course, love for one another can build a better tomorrow. Maybe you may not just know it yet, but you are already helping shape, create a new Philippines. You may not carry plots or give speeches, or give maybe a thought, but of course your kindness, your curiosity, your smiles, your songs, your laughter are already changing the world. These are the seeds of hope for our nation. Our dear parents, kanina pa lang, pagkita ko sa kanila, sobrang sayang-saya ko po. Maybe because of being as an educator. You know? So our dear kinder, please, dream big. Be brave. And never forget, you are not just the future. You are already making a difference today. And of course, to our dear parents, and even the teachers, thank you. Thank you for being the first partners. For the bedtime stories, the patient lessons, and sometimes as a parents, ako din po bilang nanay, kahit parang ayaw na natin turuan ang ating mga anak. Pero thank you very much po, no? The gentle guidance. Sa panahon po ngayon, tayo ang kailangan ng ating mga anak. No? Even saying, hi, kumusta? Napaka-importante po sa ating mga anak. You are their roots. And because of you, they are ready to grow. So to all the graduating students or pupils, to our dear parents, always remember, when you share, you unite as parents and the children. When you listen, you care. Sanayin po natin ang ating mga anak. Kahit simpleng pagpupusta sa kanila. When you dream, you live. Samahan po natin sila sa kanilang mga pangangarap. Mabuhay, and once again, congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you for that very inspiring message. The Infant Jesus School of Alabang would like to give this certificate of recognition to Director Miguel Arcega in grateful acknowledgement of her distinguished and invaluable service rendered as a guest speaker, given in the city of Muntinlupa this 10th day of April 2025, signed by our school head Bernardina Panganiban. Okay, thank you to our guest speaker. And now, for the awarding of medals and distribution of certificates,
Alexa. 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 Alexa.
may we request
Toto.
the students to
Toto.
please stand up
Call Toto.
and
Toto is the one
to be accompanied by their parents,
Toto is the
all the
one giving you
awarding
the award.
students. Parents, please accompany your son and daughter.
Hanapin mo si Toto. Bilis.